Ah, there you are. Sorry about that. Ah, hello. Just had to get in that shot of food. Sorry about that. So, everybody's hungry. I guess we better make some food. Around here, we've been having massive cravings for sweets because we're cutting back on the booze. And, I've been doing some off-the-cuff cooking. So this is an off-the-cuff way to do a cherry tart that worked really well and really very simple. Very few ingredients, but it's the technique that made it work. The first thing I'm going to do is call out the fact that the cherry tart filling is not going anywhere. That's some thick stuff. So, what am I talking about? Let me explain. First, you need a tart pan. Mine's full of cherry tart right now, or else I just show you one. Second thing you need, store-bought pie crust. Terribly exciting stuff. And the third thing, store can of cherry pie filling. Yep, store brand. Now, why on earth am I making a cooking show about something this simple, this easy? Because for a lot of us, it's not about going to the cherry orchard and picking a bucket full of cherries, pitting them, boiling them down, making our crazy stuff, pulling out the flour and making our pie crust and all of that stuff. It's just about, I want a cherry tart. And this is how you do it. All right. So, there are some issues, some techniques. Number one, when you buy these, be they Pillsbury brand or store brand, let them warm up. On the box, it gives you directions. What a surprise. Follow the directions, it works. The main thing is to let them warm up to room temperature so they'll be easier to move around with, because they arrive rolled up. So you got to unroll them, you got to stretch them out a little bit, and you got 2 100-degree Fahrenheit hot pads. You can use to soften the dough and stretch it out gently on the bottom of your tart pan. With these cakes, or with these pie crusts, you don't even need to grease the tart pan. Just pull it out, warm it up, unroll it, stretch it gently into the bottom of the cake pan, or the tart pan. And then, dock it. Yeah. What you do is you take a standard issue dinner fork and you poke holes in the bottom. And it doesn't seem like you'd want to do that, because then that just lets all the filling run out. But you do. Dock it and then pre-bake it. The official term is blind baking. Technically, you should put some pie weights or some beans inside, but you don't really need to. This is a fast recipe. These are fast ingredients. So you bake it until it's done, basically. It'll be a little golden brown. It'll be kind of nice looking. You just keep an eye on it. I'm using my thingy right about there. Yeah, that old Costco oven that I bought once upon a time. And you bake it in the tart pan until it's done, basically. Then you add your cherry pie filling. And you spread it out nice and evenly. And you're 90% there. Here's the secret. Broil it. That's right. How long do you broil it? How high do you broil it? Well, my little oven uses a 450 default setting. I use that. And I broiled it for about half an hour. The thing is, you want to thicken it. That's right. What we're doing is we're using heat to create a chemical change known as dehydration, known as thickening. And when that works, you'll end up with a very thick pie filling or tart filling. And this I made last night. You'll notice it's not spilled out of the pie crust. We had it for dessert last night and it was great. So that's it. If you want to make a cherry tart, just get yourself a tart pan. Yeah, sorry, specialized equipment. a crust. Spread it out, dock it, bake it, fill it, and then broil it. There's your magic technique. Technique creates flavor. In this case, technique creates texture. How long do you broil it? How high do you broil it? You broil it until it looks right. You know, some of this cooking stuff, it's just kind of do it until you feel it. It's like red wine. Good red wine is the red wine you like. Properly baked cherry tart is when it's thick enough for you. If you like it runny, don't broil it so long. So that's it. Thank you to everyone who's been commenting. Yeah, we do simple stuff on this channel. We keep it simple, we keep it easy. And we definitely keep it real, and frequently, well, almost always, it's real time. So that's it. Let me get in another shot of this food so I can try to use it in my commercial or my banner. So, social media, please be good social citizens and subscribe. Thank you.